most important thing which has happened, it's a seminal change from when the Hero Honda Splendor displays the Bajaj Chetak as the best-selling two-wheeler in the country. And about 15 years down the line, a scooter has once again taken that position back as the best-selling two-wheeler in the country. And it is also a sign of the times that convenience and comfort on two wheels, especially in the city, is now so very important, and scooters do the business very well, and especially so the Honda Activa, which has single-handedly carried the baton for scooters right through from 2001. So it is very, very significant. Most important thing, the product as it has been designed, configured, engineered and built by Honda is top class, top notch and ultra reliable for India. And most important of all, everyone knows that it has the Honda badge on it. You just can't take that away, because only after Honda persevered with the Activa and put it through, now you find in the world of two-wheelers in India especially, the Honda Activa alone is what we call contributing over 50% in the scooter segment, and it is also the best-selling two-wheeler in the country. So in that sort of thing, the peace of mind a consumer gets when he opts for an Activa is so very, very vital and critical to that. If you care to look at the Japanese Big Four, you always think of the first thing which comes to mind is always the superbikes, the hyperbikes, all those things which really come, Ninja, the Fireblade, the Gixxer, from every manufacturer. But they only constitute a very small percentage of the produce from the Japanese Big Four. Especially Honda, Suzuki and Yamaha, 80% of their produce the world over is small two-wheelers below 250cc. And after that number, I think over 70 or 80% of that chunk is dominated by scooters in their portfolio. Why scooters? It's because again, there as well, you need easy, reliable, cheap, safe, convenient two-wheelers which are not daunting in the least. And that's what is now happening here in India as well. India is still really rolling in a fast-forward mode. I wouldn't be surprised if certain months motorcycles do outsell scooters, but by and large the writing is on the wall. You will need scooters in your portfolio to really contribute, as Honda has shown. Suzuki has got great scooters, TVS has got great scooters, Vespa is trying to come on the bandwagon. Maybe the only one which is left out is Bajaj. And let's not forget that a Hero Honda beat the Bajaj Chetak to become the best. I think Bajaj now needs the scooter back in its portfolio.